Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to clear previous activity on Instagram. First, you have to launch your Instagram application, and then once you're here, all you need to do is to tap your profile in order for you to see the hamburger icon, or shall we say the three vertical lines. So tap this profile here, click this three vertical lines, go to settings and privacy. And as you can see, you have to tap account center. So once you're here, you have to tap this your information and permissions, which is under password and security. And then you can see here search history. Under search history, you can read manage your search history across Meta technologies. So that means if you're going to click this one and click all searches, then you can click your history in Meta or in your Instagram in short. So if you're going to tap the blue button here that says clear all searches. Okay, so you have options here, like if you're going to click last hour, yesterday, all time, everything is up to you. Then you just have to tap and click all searches. As easy as that. I hope this video helps and thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.